We're rolling.
Jesus!
God.
Alright. So, as you can see, it's morning. We made it. Transferring some morning footage. Nice and easy. Here we go.
We're gonna see the falls really soon.
Oh my God.
We're gonna.
Going here?
Yes. We're Fallon here. We might not be able to see it yet. Sorry, Fallon.
What's going on, guys? So we're here at a gas station. We're waiting for AAA to change your tire. Welcome to my crib. I'll take you.
Got beans and pans.
David, your lens cap's right here.
Alright, sweet. So basically,
Yeah, I talked to your mom.
this is the dashboard.
You can't do that in my car. You can't do that in my car. This is not gonna work.
Yes, it is. I set everything up.
Why is my shoe under this? Why is it in the back of my car?
Okay, so I put a cuts box and then a shoe, and I put it on the subwoofer, and we're gonna light it on fire.
No, my shoe! I say we just like...
See, it's fine. It's not even hot. It's not even hot. It's not even hot.
Hey, you're burning the spatula. And move it around. These quesadillas are gonna suck.
They're not.
They are.
Yay!
In front, on top of it.
So AAA is finally here.
This is literally just a wire. I was really debating not getting up this morning.
I didn't.
But I'm glad I did. At Frisbee.
Yeah, try throwing that.
One more! Headlights on!
Let's do it. Tell them to stop again at that moment. Go.
Same thing, stop again, and then wait.
Oh my God, the sky! We're now directing traffic on the bridge.
Keep going. Wait.
Go,
get set. David, wait.
I got him.
Your headlights.
I got him.
They're not on.
I got him. Go!
What?
I got it. They weren't on.
Is that him? That's him!
That's him. Go.
Got the headlights.
Oh yeah. That is him. That's
That's him.
West,
The
West,
car.
whatever the it's called. Go, David.
Got him.
Yes!
Oh my god. Oh. That's fine.
Doesn't matter about that.
It's just exhausted. His battery's exhausted. Ah!
Land it! Go! Let's go!
Wait, take your shirt off.
Wait, what?
Okay, it's that kind of trip. Oh!
Right